Hey guys, how are you? So anyways, it's March 17th of 2024. So anyways, I'm gonna do a little review and guess what I got with me. Guess what I got at Subway. Take a guess. So it's gonna be this big ass footlong cookie. Yeah. So yeah, they just came out with these not too long ago. So here at Subway they came out with these footlong cookies. So this is not something I was expecting, but I think this looks really good in my point of view. So yeah, guys, just take a freaking look at this. Oh yeah, this looks so delicious. This looks so amazing. So you gotta be careful with one of these because this will make you gain weight. So yeah, so try not to make a mess of my car. I'll take tiny bites of it. Pretty good. Yeah. Sure, I brought a fork with me, or a knife. That way, oh yeah, it's pretty good. Very nice. I don't want to make a mess of my car because I just cleaned that not too long ago. Oh yeah, this is really good. These are the absolute bomb. Oh yeah. Sure bought me a towel to pour over this, but that way I don't make a mess of my car. I had to get crumbs all on my car, but this is just freaking awesome. You gotta be careful with these because these will definitely make you fat. These will make you gain weight. That's what I'll say. This is fire, dude. Oh yeah, this is fucking fire. I mean, excuse my language, but I don't mean to cuss. Oh yeah, this is absolute fire. Oh yeah. Until I got chocolate on my hands. Oh yeah. Man, this is so good. Oh yeah. This thing is fire. Yep. This thing is absolute fire. And they cooked this really good. Yeah, it did. Oh yeah. Oh, this is freaking amazing. It's fire. Guessing about a couple weeks ago they probably came out with this at Subway. Yep. Just something I was not expecting. Yeah. Sorry, I turned the music off because of copyright on YouTube, so, yeah. Oh yeah, this is fire. Absolute fire. Yeah, you guys out there, please don't eat too many of these because, like I said, these will make you gain weight. Yeah, so. Man, this is fire. Yep. These things are so greasy too. Yep. Look at all this grease. This is why I gotta be careful when I eat in my car, because you'll get this everywhere in your car and it'll just ruin the interior of your car. So just gotta be careful about that. These are so freaking good. I think they have the footlong pretzel sticks too. I think those would be better than the footlong cookies. Oh yeah. Look at that, guys. Oh yeah, I think I ate enough. Yep, sure did. I've had enough. So, well, I hope you guys liked the video, and then give this video a like and comment down below if you guys ever had a footlong cookie at Subway or something. So, yeah. So, it's your boy Nick. Stay tuned next time, and I will see you guys next time in probably my next video or so. So. Give us a like and comment down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, guys, have a good night. Peace.